Welcome, faculty. In this video, I will be talking about the enrollment statistics. Students that have withdrawn will no longer appear in your class list. For some instructors, they want to see who has unenrolled, or perhaps there is a grade you need to still report. Using the enrollment statistics can help. Access your course, select class list. Then, select the enrollment statistics and scroll down the page. The page is split, Summary Details and Withdrawals. The summary section shows how many of users of each specific role have been added into the course or have been unenrolled. The Withdrawals section indicates the specific amounts that have been unenrolled from the course. Here I see Tina has been removed from my course. I click the drop-down beside her name and I can view what grade items she did manage to complete, and even her attendance if I had tracked that. And there you have it, short but useful tip of knowing who has been removed from a course. Be sure to check out other videos. Thanks for watching.